All right, before we go on to multiplication of decimals, I want to go back and talk about one more topic from section 4.3. So this is going to be problems that are like number 11, 13, 25, and 31. And this has to do with estimation when we are going to add and subtract decimals. So in the first one, we have 235 and 1500ths plus 218 and 45 hundredths. And we're told to add the two numbers, then estimate to see if the answer is reasonable. So we're going to add to get an exact answer. And 2 plus 4 is 6. Then we're going to add 5 plus 8 is 13. And then 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. So now we're told to estimate by rounding each of the numbers to the nearest 10 and then adding both results. So when we round to the nearest 10, this one is approximately 240. And this one is approximately 220. And when I add them together, I get 460, which is reasonable, right? If we're rounding to the nearest 10, that makes sense. So that was one like number 11. Now let's go ahead and look at one like number 13. We have 100 and 3 thousandths, 7 and 2 hundredths, 8 and 75 thousandths. Go ahead and fill in the 0 here, even though that wasn't given in the problem. And I'm going to add exactly. And I get 115 and 98 thousandths. And now I'm told to estimate by rounding the given numbers to the nearest whole number and then adding the results. So this is about 100. This is about 7. And this is about 8. I'm going to add and get 15. And bring down that 1. And we are very close, right? So 115 and 98 thousandths. It's a very good estimate, right? Now we're going to do a couple problems here with subtraction. At 5 and 1/10 minus 2 and 7 hundredths. I'm going to add a 0 there to help me, and I'm going to borrow. 10 minus 7 is 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. I end up with an answer of 3 and 3 hundredths for my exact answer, and they want me to estimate by rounding each of the given numbers to the nearest whole number and then subtracting. So 5 and 1/10 is approximately 5. 2 and 7 hundredths is approximately 2. I'm going to subtract and we get an answer that should be approximately 3, and it is. So our answer checks. One more problem here. We have 8,000 minus 320 and 3/10. I have to add my decimal point and 0/10 there. I'm going to borrow 1 from 8,000 to get 7,999 and carry the 10/10 over. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 7 minus 0 is 7. So we found the exact difference of 7,679 and 7/10. And now they want us to estimate by rounding each of the given numbers to the nearest 100. So 8,000 is already rounded to the nearest 100. 320, we're going to round to 300. We're going to subtract, borrow, and we end up with 7,700 for our approximation, which is a very good estimate of 7,679 and 7/10. So our answer checks and makes sense. All right, now we're going to go back and talk about multiplication of decimals and division of decimals. And when we come back after that, we'll do some estimation when multiplying decimals and dividing decimals. All right, see you for the next video.